Embarking on the exhilarating journey of financial success is a remarkable feat, signaling the realization of dreams, strategic acumen, and perhaps a touch of serendipity. Now that you stand at the summit of prosperity, it's natural to wonder, what's next? This topic serves as a compass for navigating the terrain beyond wealth accumulation, offering guidance on how to chart a meaningful course forward. As the initial euphoria settles, it becomes crucial to pause and reflect on the path that led you to success. Understanding the key elements that contributed to your achievements not only fosters a sense of gratitude but also lays the foundation for intentional decision-making in the future. This introspective journey sets the stage for a purposeful continuation, ensuring that your newfound wealth aligns with your evolving goals and values. Beyond the numbers, this topic encourages you to consider the broader impact of your success and how it can contribute to a more fulfilling and purpose-driven life. So, let's embark on this exploration of the terrain that lies beyond the immediate thrill of financial triumph. Reflecting on your journey, with the initial wave of success settling, take a moment to acknowledge and appreciate the milestones that brought you here. Reflect on the challenges overcome, decisions made, and the support received. This introspection is not just a trip down memory lane but a strategic exercise in understanding the dynamics of your achievements. Identifying the key factors that played pivotal roles in your success lays the groundwork for informed choices moving forward. Whether it was relentless dedication, innovation, or collaboration, recognizing these elements provides valuable insights. Moreover, cultivating a sense of gratitude for the opportunities and individuals that contributed to your success fosters a positive mindset and can act as a driving force for future endeavors. As you navigate this reflective phase, consider how your newfound position aligns with your values and aspirations. Beyond financial metrics, this self-awareness contributes to a holistic understanding of success. So, in the spirit of continuous growth, embrace this opportunity to learn from your past triumphs and set the stage for a purpose-driven and fulfilling future. The psychological aspect of wealth. Navigating the psychological landscape of newfound wealth is a crucial aspect of post-success life. Sudden financial abundance can trigger a range of emotions and challenges. Coping with the profound changes in lifestyle, identity, and relationships becomes paramount. It's not just about managing the money. It's about managing the mental and emotional shifts that accompany it. Acknowledging and understanding these changes are essential for maintaining a healthy perspective. Sudden wealth can alter self-identity, potentially leading to a disconnect with one's former self. It's vital to reconcile personal growth with the evolving financial status, ensuring that the essence of who you are remains intact. Additionally, managing expectations, both internal and external, becomes a skill to hone. Society often imposes stereotypes on the wealthy, and navigating these perceptions can be challenging. Striking a balance between embracing success and staying true to your values helps in cultivating a well-rounded and authentic sense of self. Setting new goals. With the initial thrill of financial success settling, it's time to chart a course for the future by setting new goals. Beyond monetary pursuits, consider what truly matters to you. Goals act as beacons, providing direction and purpose beyond the accumulation of wealth. Redefine success in terms of personal fulfillment, contribution to society, and overall well-being. A crucial aspect of this stage is balancing ambition with practicality. While it's natural to strive for continuous growth, setting realistic and achievable goals ensures a sustainable and fulfilling journey. This might involve diversifying investments, exploring new business ventures, or pursuing passion projects. Personal growth should also be a central theme in your goal-setting process. Embrace learning opportunities, whether through education, skill development, or mentorship. This commitment to ongoing self-improvement not only enriches your life but also contributes to a well-rounded and resilient approach to success. By setting meaningful goals, you can create a roadmap that aligns with your values, ensuring that your journey after financial success is not just prosperous but deeply fulfilling. Financial planning and wealth management. As you navigate the landscape of prosperity, the importance of strategic financial planning and wealth management cannot be overstated. Establishing a solid financial plan ensures that your wealth not only endures but continues to grow. Diversifying investments is a key consideration, helping to mitigate risks and maintain long-term stability. Engaging with financial professionals, such as wealth advisors and planners, is a prudent step to safeguard your assets. Their expertise can assist in crafting a tailored strategy that aligns with your goals, risk tolerance, and the ever-evolving economic landscape. Regular reassessment of your financial plan allows for adjustments in response to changes in your life, market conditions, or financial goals. Moreover, consider the broader impact of your wealth. How can it be utilized to make a positive difference? Whether through ethical investing, supporting sustainable initiatives, or philanthropic endeavors, Wealth management extends beyond personal gain to contribute to a more responsible and impactful global community. By proactively managing your resources, you not only secure your financial legacy but also position yourself to make a meaningful impact on the world. Embracing philanthropy. Beyond the realm of personal financial growth lies the transformative power of philanthropy. Now that you've achieved financial success, consider how your wealth can be a catalyst for positive change. Philanthropy provides a meaningful avenue to give back to the community and causes that resonate with your values. Crafting a well-thought-out giving strategy ensures that your contributions have a lasting impact. Whether supporting education, healthcare, environmental initiatives, or social justice, align your philanthropic endeavors with causes that ignite your passion. Engaging actively in philanthropy not only benefits those in need but also brings a sense of purpose and fulfillment to your life. This section explores the profound impact of philanthropy, encouraging you to view your wealth as a tool for positive social change. By embracing philanthropy, you not only contribute to the betterment of society but also create a legacy that extends beyond financial success. Discovering the joy of giving adds depth and purpose to your journey, transforming your wealth into a force for good in the world. Continuing personal growth. Amidst the financial achievements, it's paramount to prioritize personal growth as a cornerstone of your journey beyond wealth accumulation. Education and self-improvement should be ongoing pursuits, transcending the boundaries of financial success. Consider acquiring new skills, pursuing higher education, or engaging in experiences that expand your horizons. Beyond the professional realm, exploring new hobbies and interests contributes to a well-rounded and fulfilling life. Cultivating passions outside of your business endeavors provides a holistic sense of accomplishment and joy. Whether it's the arts, sports, or community involvement, diversifying your interests fosters a balanced and enriched lifestyle. Fostering meaningful relationships beyond financial circles is another vital aspect of personal growth. Connect with individuals who inspire, challenge, and support you on a personal level. Building a network based on shared values and genuine connections enhances your overall well-being and contributes to a more fulfilling life. Emphasizing that the journey after financial success is not solely about accumulating wealth but about evolving as an individual. By embracing education, diversifying interests, and nurturing meaningful relationships, you enrich your life beyond monetary achievements, ensuring a fulfilling and purpose-driven existence. Managing relationships. As you navigate the post-success landscape, the dynamics of relationships, both familial and social, undergo a subtle yet significant transformation. Acknowledging and managing these changes is crucial for maintaining a healthy and balanced life. Navigating the complexities of newfound wealth requires open communication and a proactive approach to relationships. Friendships may evolve, and family dynamics might shift. It's essential to navigate these changes with empathy and understanding, ensuring that your success does not strain the bonds that matter most. Communicate openly about financial boundaries, expectations, and the shared values that underpin your relationships. Transparency fosters trust and helps build a support system that withstands the test of wealth. Building connections beyond financial circles is equally important. Cultivate relationships based on shared interests, values, and genuine connections. This not only broadens your perspective but also enriches your life beyond the confines of financial success. By prioritizing open communication, understanding, and building a support network grounded in trust and shared values, you can ensure that your journey beyond wealth is not only prosperous but also fulfilling on a personal and relational level. Avoiding common pitfalls. The journey beyond financial success is not without its challenges, and understanding and avoiding common pitfalls is essential for sustained well-being. Complacency poses a significant risk. Becoming too comfortable with your achievements may hinder further growth. Stay vigilant and strive for continuous improvement in both personal and professional realms. Additionally, guarding against excessive lifestyle inflation is crucial. While enjoying the fruits of success is natural, maintaining a balance between indulgence and financial prudence ensures long-term stability. Learning from the experiences of those who have faced challenges after achieving wealth can offer valuable insights into potential pitfalls and how to sidestep them. Staying grounded amidst success is a recurring theme. It's easy to lose sight of the values that propelled you to success in the first place. Regular self-reflection and a commitment to staying true to your principles will help you navigate the complexities of wealth without losing sight of what truly matters. By proactively addressing these challenges, you can safeguard your well-being and sustain a fulfilling and purpose-driven life beyond the initial thrill of financial success. Let me know your opinions in the comments section. Thanks for watching.